Good afternoon, I'm Dr. Richard Gales from Nona Medical Arts, and we have a brand new machine here. It's called the Emsella. I'm really excited about this because for the first time we have a machine that can actually help with incontinence. Now, incontinence is essentially leaking. It's kind of a fancy word for leaking. A lot of people have that, particularly as they get older. This device is approved by the FDA, and it actually can perform 12,000 kegels in 28 minutes. Now, I know you tried kegels at home. It's hard to do that on your own. I've tried it. I can't get more than 50 or so, but this does 12,000. And that's why we have such spectacular results. As you can see, one of the great benefits of this machine is it can be used fully clothed. And it really works quickly, so most people get improvement after about 1 or 2 treatments. But the full treatment course is 2 treatments a week for 3 weeks. Studies confirm that 95% of people who use this machine get improvement and improve quality of life. And also, 75% of people use less pads. As a spin-off benefit, there's also improvements in sexual health as well for both men and women. So we can talk more about that when you see us in our office. Thank you.